Attention all fishing enthusiasts! Are you searching for the ultimate angling experience? Look no further than Cedar Mountain Fishing. Picture yourself surrounded by the serene beauty of Vermont, nestled in the heart of the Green Mountains, where the lakes are teeming with an abundance of fish just waiting to be caught. At Cedar Mountain Fishing, we prioritize your comfort and convenience. Our on-site Airbnb comes well-equipped to offer a cozy retreat after a day of fishing. Relax by the fire, swim off the boat or dock, and cherish the memories you'll create. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a beginner eager to cast your first line, Cedar Mountain Fishing offers something for everyone. With expert guide Larry and Ferna to assist you, we'll ensure your fishing adventure is unforgettable. Explore our pristine lakes, renowned for their trophy-sized bass and oldest known fossil reef in the world. Imagine the thrill of reeling in that big catch as the sun sets over the majestic mountains. So why wait? Experience the thrill of Cedar Mountain Fishing today. Book your fishing getaway now and let the adventures begin.